In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to send USDT from OKX to Telegram wallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have USDT available on your OKX wallet and you would like to transfer it from OKX to Telegram wallet or any other exchange wallet, follow these instructions and you will be able to see it done. It is simple to do, and the only thing that you need is to start this transaction on OKX and acquire the receiving address from your Telegram wallet. So if you want to start this process on OKX, go here and find the specific asset that you would like to send over. You can either use the send option and then select USDT, or you can go over to your assets and tap on USDT directly. Once you choose the send option or you find USDT, choose the send button once again. Now, they will ask you to input the receiving address. After you input the address, you can specify the amount and finish making this transfer. So this address is the one from your Telegram wallet. So now, if you have this already, just paste it here, but if you still need to acquire it, open the Telegram wallet and under your assets, look for the specific one that you will be receiving. In the case of this video, USDT, of course. So find that specific asset and then tap on it. Immediately upon selecting any asset, you will see the main options, just like OKX, send and receive. Since you want to receive on the Telegram wallet, choose the receive option. This will give you a QR code that you can scan using your camera, or you can copy the address. So if you are doing this on the same phone, then copy the address, switch back into the OKX app, and then paste the wallet address that you copied from Telegram over here. You can use the paste button at the right. Once it is pasted, choose the confirm option, and as long as you copied it properly, you will now be able to input the rest of the details. So the amount of USDT that you will be transferring, and you can confirm any sort of network fees and make this transfer. I hope I was able to help you on how to send USDT from OKX to Telegram wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.